everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa. I am Vanessa. Thank you for all of those who have subscribed. I appreciate it so much. If you are new and just found me, please hit the subscribe button and the little red bell for notifications when I post new videos for very affordable DIYs. For today's DIY, I'm going to take these little witch headbands from the Dollar Tree and two of the candlestick holders or the candle holders, and we're going to do some decorations for Halloween. So let's get crafting. So we're going to leave this to the side for now. We're going to work on the hats first. So let's start by removing the tags and this. Then I'm going to remove the headband. So I'm going to try and rip this apart. So I'm going to stuff the hats with some polyfill, but you can use paper bags, you can use plastic bags to fill them in. I just don't want this to be bending over. So again, you don't have to use the polyfill. You can use anything to stuff them with, a paper bag, a plastic bag, or even just some crumpled up paper. So I'm going to take some of my rhinestones and I'm going to embellish both of the hats. I'm just going to take the rhinestones with some hot glue, to add a little bit more of a little bling look to each of the two witches' hats. So now I'm going to paint the candle holders. I'm going to use some acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to try my best to give it the Mackenzie Childs look, the checkered pattern to it. So let's begin and paint the candlestick holder. somewhat dry, I'm going to add some gold to it to give it that gold type of look that Mackenzie Childs pieces have. And let's see how that turns out.